Introducing the Matrice 200 series, DJI's most rugged, reliable, and versatile commercial aircraft to date. Forged by the hands of our top drone engineers, it wields an array of functionality for enterprise users who demand tools that exceed expectations. A newly designed dual battery power system supports up to 32 minutes of flight for maximum airtime with a single gimbal. State-of-the-art aerial imaging is yours for the taking through native support of DJI's industry-standard gimbal technology. Loaded up with the ZenMuse X4S, X5S, Z30 zoom camera, or the XT thermal imaging platform. With an onboard FPV camera, pilots have a real-time view in front of the aircraft to navigate confidently through complex environments. When it comes to gathering critical intel, 2 eyes in the sky is better than 1. The Matrice 210 gives you the power of mounting 2 gimbals at once. Maximize efficiency by flying 2 cameras side by side for capturing different types of image data at the same time. You can now mount a camera on top of the aircraft for inspecting vital infrastructure in all those hard-to-reach places. For rough weather, we've added IP43 ingress protection that shields your aircraft from the elements. The M200 was born to traverse rugged terrain thanks to its compact foldable design, so you're hitting the sky within minutes of arriving on site. 2 batteries provide power redundancy that ensures reliable operation in a wide range of environments, and a self-heating function keeps them operating even in sub-zero temperatures. With DJI's flight autonomy system, most concerns about safety and reliability are a thing of the past. An upward-facing time-of-flight laser sensor recognizes objects above the aircraft. Stereo vision systems detect obstacles down below and in front of the aircraft. The M200's ability to sense and avoid obstacles makes close proximity inspections faster, easier, and safer. With the Matrice 210 RTK, your aircraft gains centimeter-level positioning accuracy, thanks to DJI's DRTK GNSS high-precision GPS technology. DRTK also boasts resistance to magnetic interference for commercial flight missions near large metal structures and electromagnetic fields. The DJI Matrice 200 series. High-performance aircraft with the reliability and versatility fit for any mission, no matter how tough.